impromptu repair video. Okay, I've bought a charger, a very old charger, for my Makita drill, and it came off eBay with this. Ooh, so that is way too dangerous to use. I'm frightened it's going to get plugged in. So the first thing I have to do before I do anything else, checking it's not plugged in, is that. Right. Okay, so let's see whether I can fix this. I could join that, but that's horrible. Let's see whether it will come apart. Whoa! Let's try something else for that. Look, it's a Makita. It's slightly bizarre using a Makita to fix a Makita. Well, hey, right. Ooh. Ooh. I'm hoping I can slip this out of here. Yes. Excellent. So before I forget to do anything else, and I have done this before, I'm going to pop that on the end of the cable. So all I'm going to do is shorten this cable if I can, so by putting that directly to there, but I have to keep my eyes open and see how this works. Will this come out? Yeah. Make sure there's no capacitors that could rend me on my buttocks in an ungentlemanly manner in there. A couple of caps, but hopefully they're all right. So what happens here? So it's just that this goes straight to the coil then. So let me just do live and neutral over there and do that one and that one. Now whether this soldering iron is good enough to unsolder this, I don't know. Well, let's get some heat on it and see. There's a lot of iron here. Woo. Okay. Whee. Then this one. Whoa, right. Get rid of that, sell that on eBay. Clean that up a bit. But this is lovely and lead, this is. Ooh. I was trying to clean this. This is going to be an easy fix. Right, I'm glad I didn't sell this on eBay, this other one, because I'm going to use this to get the dimensions right. So it's about that. I want to do this almost exactly the same size if I can do it, if I can help it. Okay, so I'm going to twist this up. The other ones were twisted. And to follow the same procedure, I'm going to wire wrap this on there if I can get it through. Got that one in. Okay, so those are both wrapped round, so let's just blob some solder on it. I'm going to use my special solder for this. Bit more solder, and I'm just going to put the extraction on. Okay, so that's nice and firm there. Now, I did notice that there's a little thermal cutout by the looks of it there. Not sure where that's supposed to go. It says FS fuse. Ah, it must go in that little hole. No, it just goes down there by the side of the battery. That's okay. Right, so in it goes. I don't like that. That looks like they shouldn't join. They have to be insulated, surely. Okay, so that back in there. Can go in that one. Okay, so hopefully that's sorted. That will go back on there now. And that becomes part of the cable relief, I think. Strain relief, yeah. Yeah. Why is it not going in now? There you go. Okay, so here is my fixed power supply with no longer a deadly charger of deadliness. Try plugging it in, wait for the bang. No bang, always good. And let's try putting a battery in and see if the light comes on. The light comes on. Excellent. One fixed impromptu power supply fix.